The declaration signed by Returning Officer Richard Nsubo on November 7, 2025 follows Mr. Opondo's nomination as the only candidate under the Section 37 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, Cap 177.
I, Nsubo Richard, being Returning Officer for Eastern Region representative of older persons in Parliament, pursuant to Section 37 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, Cap 177, declare Ofwono Opondo of National Resistance Movement Party elected unopposed for Eastern Region representative of older persons in Parliament.
In the midst of happiness, he promised to work for the older people through advocating for improved services.
Ensuring that every specific day, we can gazette, every day we can gazette a day, Monday or Tuesday or Friday, when older persons go to health centers for a checkup, but also for treatment or collecting drugs, so that when they go to the health center, they don't find a long queue. All those things are possible. It simply needs thinking, creative thinking, innovation. Older persons MPs, we are few. We are only 5. We need to appeal to the younger people to say, all of you, when government is not supporting older people, the burden comes back to you 100%. And therefore, it is in your interest, young MPs, to ensure that you put policies, you push government to put policies that support older people by the government. In any case, older people already served in the country. They did not serve NGOs, so you can't send them to NGOs.
Key issues mentioned by Ofwono Opondo were the pension for the elderly, which he says should be reduced from 80 years to 60 years, in addition to free insurance schemes.
The government of Uganda is offering some form of health insurance for unborn babies and newly born babies by way of immunization, free immunization until you are 12. We don't pay money for immunization. So the government of Uganda can do a similar model for all the people, especially for the most common ailments, which is the low and high blood pressure, diabetes, arthritis, UTI. Those basics, maybe 4 or 5 sicknesses, and you are checked, and the government either gives you subsidized medicine, like the government of Uganda today is giving free medicine for HIV patients. Why not for these older people? If you're going to check the census report, the recently released, people who are 60 years and above in Uganda don't exceed 2.4 million of the 46 million Ugandans.
Electoral Commission spokesperson Julius Mchunguzi condemned acts of violence among supporters of different presidential candidates during the ongoing campaigns, indicating how such acts violate electoral guidelines. This follows recent political clashes between the supporters of NUP and NRM.
Akakiiko kasaba ba candidates ne ba agency baabwe okubuulirira abawagizi baabwe okweyisa mu mirembe, okugoberera amateeka, okussa munne ekitiibwa era obutatwala akalulu nga kyakufana kuwona nti oba bw'oba ng'owagira candidate ono abawagira candidate oli baba balabe. Kuba Bannayuganda baddembe okuwagira candidates be baagala ku mitendera gyonna.
He appealed to candidates and their agents to advise their supporters to remain peaceful and to view elections as democratic competitions. Mchunguzi acknowledged the commission having received complaints about misleading, insulting and hateful language used by some candidates.
Deyo kafunyeyo reports okuva mu bantu abatali bamu na bamu nga beemulugunya ku ba candidates abamu abatandise okukozesa olulimi olusiga obukyayi olwawulamu abantu ku madini munganda mu busibuko zaabwe. Akakiiko kaagala kuvumirira ba candidates abo, okuvumirira ba agency baabwe, okuvumirira abawagizi baabwe abakozesa olulimi olusiga obukyayi mu Bannayuganda. Tekikirizibwa mu mateeka okukozesa olulimi olusiga obukyayi, mu Luzungu bwatuyita hate speech or sectarian language.
John Baptista Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News.